They were saying, "Oh, thank you so much. It saved our business." One of the things I remember as an accountant, especially when we went through the first few months of COVID and lockdowns, is this really, really valuable thing called a rainy day fund. Now, a rainy day fund is basically a backup account where if something happens that's bad in the business, you've got this easy to access, pot of cash that can, I guess, essentially save the business in the case that something unforeseen pops up. And we, as a business, we were sharing this concept probably since sort of 2015 or 2016 onwards. And we were doing it at workshops. And one of the really awesome things is we were getting phone calls or emails out of the blue of people who had come to those workshops back in the day. And this is sort of middle of lockdowns as they just started. And they were saying, "Oh, thank you so much. I just wanted to send you a message. I heard you speak at a workshop, and we implemented the rainy day fund. We've been putting away this money for years now, and geez, it's a rainy day. It's saved our business. We've been able to keep our employees employed throughout those turbulent times." So, I've never seen a better example of this coming in handy as an accountant. But again, it's a really fulfilling part where people do this, and it actually really, really saves them and exists for that purpose. So the idea of a rainy day fund is you start with excess cash, and it's a regular contribution that almost you don't notice. The contribution goes from maybe your main trading accounts over to ideally a separate bank. So it's out of your normal, login and internet banking. You can't really sort of see it build up. We want to kind of ignore it. The target to aim for is about 3 months worth of expenses. And the thought process there is that if your sales turned off for 3 months, will you be okay? Will your business be okay to fund those expenses and keep everything going throughout that time? So that's the whole reason of 3 months expenses. And in that 90-day window or 3 months, hopefully you're able to do something to turn that around or work that out.